Imagine a gatekeeper, diligently working to allow only the right kind of traffic to pass through. In the world of electronics, a half-wave rectifier acts much like this gatekeeper. It's a device that allows only half of an AC waveform to pass through to the output, making it a critical component in transforming alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC. The half-wave rectifier works in a simple yet effective manner. Picture an AC waveform, a beautiful sine wave oscillating above and below a central line. Now, the half-wave rectifier steps in. This device allows the waveform to pass through unchanged when it's above the line. This is known as the positive half cycle. But when the waveform dips below the line during the negative half cycle, the rectifier effectively blocks it. At the heart of a half-wave rectifier lies a single diode. The diode is a one-way street for electric current, allowing it to flow in one direction only. When the AC waveform enters the positive half cycle, the diode becomes forward biased, allowing the current to pass through. It's as if the gatekeeper has swung the gates wide open. But as the waveform enters the negative half cycle, the diode becomes reverse biased. The gatekeeper slams the gate shut, blocking the current from passing through. This results in an output that consists only of the positive half cycles of the AC waveform, essentially converting the AC to DC. It's important to note, however, that the output isn't a smooth, steady DC, but rather a pulsating DC. This is because the half-wave rectifier allows the current to pass through only half the time. This pulsating DC output can be further smoothed out using devices called filters, but that's a topic for another day. So what are the key points to remember about the half-wave rectifier? First, it's a simple device that uses a single diode to convert AC to DC. Second, it only allows the positive half cycles of the AC waveform to pass through, blocking the negative half cycles. Third, the output of a half-wave rectifier is a pulsating DC, not a smooth, steady DC. The half-wave rectifier may be a simple device, but its role in electronics can't be understated. It's the gatekeeper that ensures only the right kind of current passes through, making it an essential tool in the world of electronics.